Hi there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to become an Adidas affiliate. And then the first thing I want you to do is if you're using your tablet, your phone, if you're watching this on your MacBook or even your iOS devices, please stay on the video because it's literally the same process, okay? Now, for example, you're on your Chrome right now. For example, again, you're using a Microsoft Edge and this is Google Chrome. It's definitely the same process, guys, okay? Now, the first thing I want you to do is head into Google. And once you go to the Adidas website, for example, let me just, as you can see, I already have it open, but I'm not going to show it as of now. I just want to explain to you guys so you won't have a run around. So with this one, if you go to the Adidas website, you're not going to see the affiliate program right here because they don't have it on their website itself. What you want to do is going to be searching it on the Google's website. Now with this one, just search Adidas affiliate program right here. Let's say this one. And then the very first result should be the one you're looking for. What is our affiliate program? You're gonna have a bunch of information right here, which is actually not quite important. This is the black and white of everything. Now, simply click on apply now. Once you click on apply now right there, you'll be directed on this landing page. They're just gonna ask you for your information. Join Adidas partner program powered by Impact.com. Now, Impact.com is pretty important. You can do this. For example, if you go here, you can sign in here, and then Impact is actually a third platform wherein if you have this, you can use Impact for any major websites to be an affiliate. So, majority it's like a Facebook for affiliates program. So you don't have to always fill up everything here. You don't have to do everything here. You're just gonna sign up using your Impact.com. So two ways to do it: fill everything here, wait for an email, or rather, already have an account, log in using your Impact.com. Okay. That being said, if you're just signing up here, you can use it. You can sign it up using your Gmail account, and you're good to go. Now, for example, you just want to go on this process with the filling up your name and data. So basically just fill up your full name, email, username, the basics here, the account, display name. Now the important part is going to be the company website. Now does it mean that when they say company website, you're going to copy adidas.com, right? No. Once you say company website, please input your company or your website personally, okay? For example, I have an example right here. This is just a dummy example for first name, last name, email, and then this is the company website. Now personally, this is gonna be, for example, my website. This is where I'm gonna show the brands of Adidas and become an affiliate. And then the address itself right here. Business model, let's just say creator. Process type, website of course. Click your domain again. And then on the bottom part, just choose anything here. Make sure you read it up to the end. And then just simply sign up right here. That's how you do it. That's how you become an affiliate on Adidas, okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.